Hi everyone and welcome to the DY family. For today's video I am back in the kitchen and I'm going to share with you one last Thanksgiving recipe. Now this is a very popular side dish that a lot of people have at Thanksgiving. I am going to be showing you how to make sweet potato casserole. Now this dish is very easy to put together and there are only 6 ingredients. These are all the ingredients that you need. You need some sweet potatoes, brown sugar, melted butter, vanilla, milk. Now you could also use almond or oat milk as well. You don't have to use regular milk. And some mini marshmallows. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And then we're going to go ahead and peel and chop up our sweet potatoes. Alright, so I have a large pot over here. And I went ahead and washed all of my sweet potatoes. Now you're just going to go ahead and peel all of them. And then cut them up into fine pieces. Alright, once you have your sweet potatoes washed and peeled, you're going to go ahead and cut them up into small pieces. And then you're going to put them in your pot because we're going to go ahead and boil them. Alright, so once you have peeled and chopped up your sweet potatoes, you're going to bring them over to the stove and you're going to go ahead and bring them to a boil for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are nice and tender. Alright, once your sweet potatoes have fully cooked and are nice and tender, you're going to go ahead and drain them and then you're just going to mash them up real well. And then you're going to add in the milk, vanilla, the melted butter, and the brown sugar. And you're gonna go ahead and mash them up a little bit more. And go ahead and give it a stir to make sure everything is mixed well. Alright, now we're going to transfer this to the baking dish. I went ahead and lightly sprayed our pan here. And we're just going to spread our sweet potato mixture around. And now we're going to sprinkle on a little bit of some mini marshmallows on top. Here is what our sweet potato casserole looks like before we go ahead and bake it in the oven. Now we're going to go ahead and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes or until the marshmallows are golden brown. And here is what the sweet potato casserole looks like when it is finished baking. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. And let me know down in the comments below if you like sweet potato casserole. And if you don't, let me know what your favorite Thanksgiving side dish is. Also, I'm going to include a link to the recipes of all the recipes that I have made so far, and I'm always adding more. I do have a stuffing recipe that I posted the other day, and I also have a bunch of pie videos in there if you're looking for some dessert ideas for your Thanksgiving. Also, if you're new to our channel, we invite you to subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you know exactly when a new video is posted. I want to thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.